Okay. She's trying to figure out 5 inches. Is anyone going to help her?
I think we need to cut it a little bit.
You think so?
Because is it on this one or this one? It's this one. So I'm already on it. So there's 5 inches, and this is the paper. Papers. Say 9. Wait, it's 5. Do you think we should cut it a little bit?
Do you want to cut it now, or do you want to?
Let's trace over it and then cut it. Let's trace over it and then cut it. So that way we know where we need to cut.
Do you guys agree with what Hudson is doing?
No. No.
So stop her and tell her that.
Horizontal.
So what do you need to do for the 5? The 5 is what?
Vertical.
Okay, so do you need to draw that?
Do you think we have inside reaches?
So Hudson, do you understand what your friends are trying to say to you? Okay, so show us.
I mean, I agree with you.
Okay. Now where do you go? What's next, everybody?
Horizontal.
How many?
Vertical. 11 inches.
Wow. Okay.
I think we should go.
Keegan, what do you think?
I'm thinking maybe the horizontal part's the top of the roof where it's off a little. We're making ours like small. We're making ours small. No, I can't get it over.
You guys agree that that's 11 inches?
No.
Why not?
Because if you like go from 1, yeah, it will go up to like 10.
So what can you do to fix that?
You can like make the line go back a little bit.
Okay. How would you suggest that she does that?
You can make it go about to so it will probably show like so how much goes up? 5. So 5 inches.
So I have a question for you. Should you do the 5 first or the 11? What do you think you should do first?
The horizontal.
Is it the 5 or the 11? What do you think? Why do you think that it should be the 11?
Because then it won't be like tricky or maybe.
So do you want to try that out first? Since you guys did the 5 first and you figured out you had a problem. So do you want to do the 11? Okay, that's what one of your friends is saying. She said maybe you should do the 11 first.
Well, I think we should start we could make the line go from here. Wait, no. Yeah, make the line go from there.
Okay, so do you know that that is right there? That's the accurate measurement that you need?
No.
Why do you think that?
Because I was backing up it's a little bit off.
Okay, so now is it accurate?
So, yeah.
Okay, so it looks like you have to draw your lines, right?
How do we do this? I can do this one.
You don't have one done yet?
Okay. Yeah.
Good job problem solving. Is that a straight line? Good job. Nick and Brayden, do you guys think that you could work on the other building? Because it looks like they are doing
No,
the
you erase
hospital. You guys could work on the eye doctor, which is a 3 and a 2.
The next one's.
Well, you have, or otherwise you have the dentist's office, a 2 and a
What was the alternate?
2 and a 2.
Then we have Then we have to do like the
So somebody do something here and somebody do one over there.
Oh, yours is different.
Well, I didn't say that they were.
No, you're doing it the wrong way. They are because you're on centimeters. This way, what's in height?
Okay, how do you know that for sure? How do you know your mind's not playing tricks on your eye?
You write the injector. And then you straight
Okay. How would you fix that?
How do you know which one are inches?
because inches
Okay.
are in that 12
And that fixed it?
and centimeters in
All
that
the
30
lines
So
are
which building are you in charge of doing?
inches.
What do you think, Brenda?
Which building?
Okay, inch. Oh, restaurant.
Okay, get started.
Inches on 12. Now you just have to put this sign saying restaurant.
You're doing the, what are you doing, the post office or the restaurant?
I don't know. Restaurant.
You guys are doing the post office?
No, we're doing the.
So you guys are doing the,
We're doing hospital.
aren't you group 4?
Yeah.
So you have restaurant and post office.
We already did the restaurant.
Okay, so they are doing the post office, so 2 by 4. Okay.
Cut yours out now. Okay. We got it cut out. Can I?
Prove that it's 2 inches vertical. How can you prove it to me?
I don't know. Make sure it's accurate though. Yeah. Not another one. No, other one. Let's make it about 3 and other one. On this little one. This. Really, Jim? Okay. I had to make it so it fell on that side.
Why do you sit on that side, Amy?
Because vertical does that.
Okay. Up and down?
Now let's wait for our
So Damien, look at what Etienne's doing. Do you agree with how he's doing that?
No.
Okay, help him.
Actually, yeah, they kind of are though.
Why?
Well, we did that.
Well, because if you did it vertical, it would have 1, 2.
So why do you start it right here? Why couldn't you do it this way like you were doing?
Because it would be off
It has to be
it has to be equal.
What do you mean by equal? Why can't it be equal here? Where does that
Because the one's off it, and it can't just be like 2, 3, 4, because it has to be 2.
So why did we start the ruler here instead of over here? Taking away those inches. Why can't I say this is 2 inches?
Maybe we should draw maybe a sign.
Why can't I do that? Because that's 2 inches. Why do I have to line up the measurement?
I think that's so then it matches. Good. It kind of looks like this window. No, it's good. I think it's pretty. Okay, I think it's okay.
I think you have to do it like this. So, like the one. So
you start at the 1.
Yeah.
So then from here to there, that's 2 inches. And from there to there, that's 3 inches total. So this is a 3-inch line right there.
So if you did it like this, that would be 2 inches. If you did it like start at the 1, it would be like 3 inches.
Is that line 3 inches long?
Yeah.
This line is 3 inches long right here.
No.
Why not, Damien?
Because the 1 has to be over here. Like 1, 2, 3.
Can I start at 1 or do I have to start at 0?
Start at 0.
Oh, okay. Because if I have to go from 0 to 1, that's how many inches?
1.
Okay. But if I went from 1 to 2, is that 2 inches right there? This is 2 inches.
We didn't add 0.
Yeah. We didn't weigh the
because you're covering up the 1, and there's no way to equal the 2. There's no 1.
Oh, okay.
You gotta do the next page.
Do you see what he's talking about?
Yeah, we
He
see.
says that if I'm covering up this inch, I cannot cut that part here 2 inches. Okay? Because look what happens if I move my fingers. It's the same amount. 2 inches means it's twice as much as an inch, right? Okay. Is this twice as much as 1 inch?
Kind of like 6.
How much is that? Etienne?
That's 4, 5. Yeah, 4 would be the 5 in it. Now it's correct.
That's just an inch. Okay, so where do we have to start on a ruler when we're measuring things?
At the very end.
At the very end of 0. Okay.